Hello YouTube, Marilyn here again. Well, I'm not going to be doing a speaker video this time, but I am going to be looking at, so I got 3 boxes full of computer stuff. And as you can see by this, yeah, it's going to be pretty old stuff. So anyway, I'm going to go through what I've got, because this is a good haul. I got some great stuff here. So it's a Microsoft Windows for Workgroups and MS-DOS book. Cool. This is cool. Oh. Now the older people will know what these are. 5¼ inch floppy disks. This is why they called them floppy, because back in the day they were floppy. And there's one loose over here. I'll put this aside. At the end of it, I'm going to show you everything I've got. Digital fax modem. Ooh, it's 28K. Ooh. That does not look. That's not a modem. That's a 24 max CD drive. When was it made? 1997. See the size of it? Really big. But so we got the disc for it. The gateway disc. Windows 3.1 and 95. It's too bad I don't have it. Then again, it might be in one of these other boxes. I don't even know. Well, this can go back in there. So that's a 28K modem. So it's 1997. Yeah, probably about right for Australia. Put that over here. Alright, we got a hard drive. So it's a Connor drive. What size are you? 340 megabytes. Alright. It's a computerized cookbook. As in, it's quite literally a cookbook. I've got discs. That's kind of cool. There's the other disc for it. Oh, this is good. This is Microsoft DOS. MS-DOS version 5 for DOS systems. Yeah, I think this is all the discs. What is it? 1991. That's cool. Right, put that aside. It is a manual for. Let's have a look what it's for. A light pen. Oh, that's kind of cool. Over there, another hard drive. Oh, this is old. Oh, wow. Okay. See if you can see that. There's a lot of reflection for some reason. So it's a Fujitsu drive, an M2611T. I've heard about these. These were meant to be like an indestructible hard drive, pretty much. Been rumours of people dropping them without any problem. It's 45 megabytes. Lots of space. And we've got some floppy disks. Yeah, a security disk. Pretty memo. No idea what any of this stuff actually is. Ooh, shareware. Oh, that's cool. Realms and Chaos. That's cool. I'm gonna put that one aside. I've got a computer I can play it on. Moffett's Super Blast Ultimate Breakout Arkanoid style game. Ooh, that sounds pretty cool. Shareware again. Super speed flashcards. That's kind of cool. Alright, that's those floppy disks. Got a whole lot more floppy disks. IBM VGA. Oh, I wonder how old that is. Raptor. I have no idea what that is. I'll put it aside. Crystal Caves. Oh, I know that game. Oh, I have a shareware disc. Clyde Revenge. Disc 1 of 1. Oh my. MS-DOS version 4. 1989. That's cool, that will go right next to my version 5. Go Google flashcards. Well, I'm guessing I'm not ripping off Google because it's MS-DOS, so it came before Google. Jetpack. iOmega zip disk. I'm guessing it's got drivers and everything for it. Add new hardware. Oh, it's showing how to install. It's how to install it. Cool. Alright. Ooh. This will make LGR happy. Jazz Jackrabbit. Do I have this? Come on, beat in here. Oh, Microsoft DOS version 4. That's for that. Where's the other Jazz Jackrabbit? Which one am I missing? 2, 4, 4, 4. I'm missing 1. Oh, actually, I think that might be in my computer. Memory serves. Which one is it? It's just Jazz Jackrabbit number 1. Oh, there we go. That's pretty old for you. Why is this camera being all funny? Hang on, I'm going to clean the lens. Ah, that's better. So we've got, what is this? Microsoft Scenes Brain Twister Collection. And I've got all the discs for it. That's kind of cool. Oh shit, look at that. The Code Breakers. An Atari adventure. How old is this? Welcome, you're about to begin an Atari adventure. Well, the fact that this says Atari... Oh, here there's some basic... Okay. Yeah. This is old. I kind of want to read this. This looks interesting. So, it's a story, and to figure it out, the rest of it, you've got to type in basic code. That's so cool. But what year is it? The programs in this book will work correctly on the Atari 400, 800, and Atari XL line. Atari basic cartridges required. That's really cool. I don't know how old it is. Oh, no, here we go. No, it doesn't say. But it was $6.95 back in the day. That's kind of cool. Oh god. Free Windows XP Service Pack 2 disc. Someone actually requested this. Ugh. Bloody hell. No, I know what this is, and I'm not going to show you it because this is some seriously cool oddware. Actually, no, I'm going to show it anyway. It looks like a CD. If you open it up, it's a floppy disk. A cracked version of Windows XP. Sorry about that. It's manufactured for Osborne. Microsoft Works. They're the same thing as before. What else have we got? Match City, Classroom. I want to know what this is. This ABC F17A 117A IBM VGA Sega. I have no idea what that is. We got an AT to PS2 converter. Cool. And something I actually need for my compact laptop. A PCMIA Ethernet jack. Bet you it doesn't have drivers in there. Epic Pinball. Hey. I love Epic Pinball. Board game construction kit. Hocus Pocus. Put that in the pile. That's a G. Farts. Did LGR send me a disc? It says farts. A blank floppy. Alright, well, that's all those gone through. That was the small one. Let's get ready for the second. Alright, this is a really big collection of stuff here. I'm just gonna put the camera over here and put things out and look at it as I do it. There's so much crap, and there's 2 more boxes. That box is really heavy. Alright, so the first thing we have is Turbo Pascal for the IBM PC. Let's see the date on this. 1986. Woo! That's old. This immediately caught my eye. Osborne Computers. Woo! Microsoft Windows 3.1 getting started. Microsoft Windows compatible. I bloody hope so. That's a book. Very heavy. Printer interface cable. Parallel. Ooh. Check that out. Let's get a closer look at this. This is interesting. Handbook of Integrated Circuits Operational Amplifier. It's local too. Let's see if we can get a date on this. 1975. Holy crap. Digital amplifiers. Digital application of op amplifiers. The operational amplifier. Perform mathematical operations of analog computers. I guess this kind of predates like a lot of computers that we know of. Oh, it's in such good condition too. I'm going to actually have to read this. That's so cool. I'll put that aside. USB cable. Okay, we're getting into some interesting stuff now. This is an 8-bit ISA card. And it's super shiny. I'm going to stop this and turn the light off. Back again. So this is an 8-bit ISA card. So a parallel interface. I'm guessing it's parallel. I've got a parallel cable right here. Yep, that's a parallel. No, the thing's bent. Parallel and serial interface. So that's the first ISA card of the bunch. Looking good so far. Let's go over here. Windows NT Workstation version 4. Let's see if everything's in it. Set up disks. Hardware compatibility list. Oh, we're gonna check this out. Oh, really? Compatibility? Oh, x86 based computers that are compatible. Digital. Dynamic decisions, Hewlett Packards. Ah, bloody hell. Oh, holy hell. It's literally saying what it's going to... Wow. Well, okay. I'm not going to go through every piece of equipment. Windows Update Internet Package. Ooh. And the disc. Cool. So, oh, and there's the actual disc itself. And that's a guide to support. And Internet Explorer 6. Cool, so it's all in there. It's nice that it's boxed. I do like the I like the box. I was watching a video where LGR was saying about big boxes disappearing, and it's kind of sad because that's a cool box. Alright, in the corner. AutoCAD tool. Auto Lisp in plain English. A guide for non-programmers. Yep, no idea. Getting started for MS-DOS version 5. I'm guessing that goes with my version 5 discs over here. That would make sense. So I got the discs and the manual. Cool. A SCART to 6 RCA plugs. Okay. 2 more AutoCAD books. God, this is going to take for ages. Oh, holy hell, look at that. It's a Yahoo mouse. Oh, it's still clicky too. It's got a third button. I guess that takes you to Yahoo. Oh, I should send this to LGR. Actually, I probably might do that. A Netgear web stable router? Okay. Confused about that one. Really big fan. Hard drives. Hello. We have a Samsung 356 megabyte. An IBM 548 megabyte drive. Now, if anyone knows what this is, you'll know that they're crap. This is a Quantum Fireball. Quantum used to be good, but then they brought it the Fireball series, and they're complete rubbish. Another mouse. A Microsoft mouse. I love these. They feel wonderful. Got a serial interface too. Very cool. I like mice. Oh. We had a 40 gigabyte hard drive and a software do not use. Yep, don't know about that one. It's made in 1993, so I'd probably guess 150 to 200 megabytes. Alright, this is a whole lot of cables. Oh, we got a stick of 8 megabytes of EDO memory. Modem. PCI. Fantastic. The most hated video cards ever. The S3 Verge cards. Hate those. Ah, something I'm going to use in my retro computer build. It's a network card. An ISA one. It's something I'm not going to use in my computer build, but it's still very cool. It's an ISA modem. I don't know what speed it is. No idea. Some tiny DVDs, mini discs. A mini disc on its own. Oh, it's a video card. So this is a, for God's sake, it's an S3. I'm guessing it's a 512. But yeah, 8-bit ISA and Visa. That's very cool. Oh my god, another one. Actually, I had this exact one in my, I think it was my second computer. An S3 Trio 1 megabyte card. You install the extra RAM into it and you get 2 megabytes, and that's pretty cool. Another video card. This time it's an Advanced Logic. That's pretty cool. What, 1993. Visa Local Bus VGA. I wonder if it works. It's in really good condition. Advanced Logic. Might have to look that one up. It's got access memory. Holy crap, that's huge. Look at the size of this bugger. So, I'm guessing it's a video card. I don't know what socket. That's not PCI. You got an Intel i90, i960 something. I don't know that. That's an ATI Rage card. It's like a video card, but it's a lot more sophisticated. It requires some kind of interface. Got a load of LEDs up here. It's got a power port, VGA. I've got the cable for that. That's for keyboard and mouse, and Ethernet. Agency series. I think it's a VPN card. Over there. It's a hard drive controller board. You got SCSI and floppy disk drive, and a big SCSI port. And 16-bit ISA. What else have we got? 320 gig hard drive. 320 gig hard drive. And a big smell for assorted bands. Ooh. IDE cable. Logitech mouse. I should put the stuff I don't want in a box. Yeah, probably should. That's pretty much anything that's modern. Oh, a long distance parallel connector. That's cool. Ah. Serial to, I have no idea what that interface card is. Oh, it's a speaker. Might make a good blog video. I have no idea what this is for. Yep. It's a battery pack. That's old. 3.5mm extender. Wireless LAN. USB. Oh yeah, it's the manual for the motherboard I got as well, but it's 2 years. Can't really show. PlayStation 1 controller. Oh, got a 5V 3A power supply. Another fan. Another fan. Man, this guy likes fans. Oh, here we go. This is quite cool. Transition network. Just convert it. So it takes a normal and converts it into, oh, the old style. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I'll better use that on an older build, because that card also has it, but it also has the other type as well. I have no idea. There's a switch. I think it's a switch. I have no idea. Oh. That's cool. So most of this stuff is like, you know, at least 10, 15 years old. Broken piece of something. Card reader, USB. Yeah. The biggest potentiometer I've ever seen. Good, it barely moves. Oh, I know what these are out. These are out of car stereos, old ones. Ethernet cable. Nipple clamp. Give your old computer USB. That's pretty cool. Floppy drive cable computer. Ah, serial and parallel for your motherboard. Cool. Oh, what else is in here? Oh, here we go. It's a CD drive to hard drive converter for my laptop. Something for a KVM. Oh, this looks... I have no idea what that is either. That's I do not want to stick my fingers in it fan. Might be useful for something. Laptop drive. Discovering Microsoft Office 2000. How about new? I have no idea what the hell this is for. A walkie-talkie? Yeah, you got me. Alright, we've got starter cables. Oh, these damn... So many cables. All these cables out of this box. Okay. Got a nice thick VGA cable. 500,000 phone cables. Charging station for I have no idea. A kit. KVM. More KVM parts. Fans out of an Xbox 360. I know exactly what they are. Molex to SATA. Supply. Really hardcore switch. Cool. Oh, he once had all computers. Apparently the guy threw away his towers and he had 386 and 486 space machines. Memory stick Euro adapter. USB 3 box. Modern art masterpiece. PS2 to AT connector. So the wrong way around. No. Pen. I have no idea. Instead of acoustic research RCAs. What the hell is this? So it looks like we got SATA. Is it SATA the serial or is it? Okay, so we got serial to parallel and serial. Well, no. But they all seem to connect together. It's pretty cool. Giant ass fuse. It's like 10 more of these. Another walkie-talkie. That's heavy. Alright, that's about it for that box. Next box. Alright. We have a Seagate tape drive. That's pretty cool. I wonder if it works. We have a Fort Media PCI sound card. Looks it. An external SATA and IDE hard drive. I could have used that on my main computer. Memory card reader. That's cool. Power cables. More cables. A light. More floppy disks. Oh, look at that floppy disk. A sealed pack of floppy disks. Ooh, tested and certified. Low density. High density. Another VGA cable. Another power cable. Fan controller box. PCI sound card. Oh, I know what this definitely is. Power. Hard drive. Turbo button. Maximum speed. Or in this case, nothing anymore. Yeah, it saddens me to know that it could have been a nice vintage computer. That's EL strip lighting. Yeah, it is. Network cable. No idea. Was something. A stick of DDR2, 2 gigabytes. A gigabyte fan. Filter boxes for ADSL. I have no idea what that is. It's got a tube plug. Batteries. USB extension cable. More power cables. I'm never going to be low on power cables, you know. What the hell is this? Serial to 3.5? I don't know. A really long USB cable. Well, that seems to be it. Well, this is the haul. It's a pretty decent size one if you ask me. I got things from the 70s, 80s, and 90s. MS-DOS 5, MS-DOS 6, MS-DOS version 4, the manuals from Windows NT Workstation, Osborne books, an Atari book, ISA cards, hard drives. All I need now is a motherboard and CPU, and I've got everything to build a bloody computer. So, yeah, thanks for watching.